we've run a lot of these cybersecurity audits, and we are finding that we've got many, many, many revisions back because people are not rebooting their computers so the patches will get it, right? They just hit the ignore, right? Because they show up in the morning, Windows got a prompt, hey, listen, there's a security patch that's been updated. We need a reboot to apply it. Do you want to do this now or do you want to wait? Well, it hits the wait in case in point. But the problem is to the CEO, to the C-suite, to the owner, that's a problem because now they've created a vulnerability. Okay? So that's what we're trying to shore up. Windows 11, right, and Mac, endpoint patching is critical, right? It is critical. This allows us, we will go through and we will be monitoring that. So we'll know